guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Under Armour HOVR Phantom 2 Storms. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at Under Armour's HOVR Phantom 2 Storms. We got these in a UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's a US men's size 9. Have a look at these. Now these are Under Armour's winterized running sneakers, and just by looking at it, these are going to help keep your feet warm and dry. Before we get into all those little details that this shoe has, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. There you can see it. It's knobbed and it's got an elevated traction patterning there. Keep your feet nice, great grip for every step that you take. Looking at the midsole unit, and this is where we find the HOVR technology. HOVR, for those that don't know, is Under Armour's technology for cushioning and reduces impact, and it's there to propel yourself forwards. You can see it, the Under Armour logo, that's at the heel, and you got all this webbed textile just around covering that HOVR midsole unit. Now we look at the upper, here we go. This is where we find that shroud. Essentially it's the outer, and you got a little product note from Under Armour on the medial side, and it's there. It says this product is designed with water resistant technology to keep you drier in wet weather situations. One less excuse, the only ways through, which is great because essentially these sneakers, these running shoes are, well, they're telling you that you shouldn't let wet weather be a barrier to entry to you working out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, as soon as I see raindrops before I'm running, I'm not gonna do that run. So it deters me from doing any sort of exercise. But with these, what Under Armour is saying is that that's a BS excuse. Use these, run in these. Don't let weather be an excuse for yourself not to work out. Essentially the shroud here is all made out of textile materials. It's like a neoprene material as well, but it is water resistant. The main important bit is there to keep your feet nice and dry and warm as well. Just underneath, so you do the unzipping, and it's got a plastic card there, and you got the sock liner. Essentially this is a sock liner sneaker that's just underneath here. There, it's there to keep your feet in nice and secure, and the lacing system is found just underneath. I don't see the point of this shroud, to be honest, but I guess it's there for the external coverage, there to keep your feet nice and warm and dry, and you got everything it's up against. Well, it's essentially waterproof, water resistant, weather resistant in all these little logos there. So you got the sleet, the rain, and the clouds. Well, you're not really affected by clouds when you run. Again, the sock liner feels like it's neoprene, very secure. I can guarantee as soon as I put my feet in, then my feet are going to be secure. You got a foam insole as well. You keep your feet in by just pulling the bungee cords. Just little bits I forgot to mention about. So you got the UA logo there, the Under Armour logo found at the toes. Little subtle hint. So if you look at the shroud, it's in this black TPU heat press, but you can see the HOVR logo just underneath if you look really deep into it. The heel clip, so if you look at this heel clip, you got this heel counter, is there for giving you support. And that rounds up my review. I'm really intrigued about these sneakers because how am I going to get my feet in? I'm a bit worried about that, but you got a lot of stretching. Again, guys, it is a sock liner, so hopefully it should be easy to put my feet in and out. But we'll get into that bit when I show you the on feet. Little bits I forgot to mention. So you got two pull tabs on the inner tongue and the external shroud there. So hopefully these help me get my feet in, and I'll let you know if it keeps my feet a bit warm. Obviously guys, every run that you take you get warm feet, so I'm not gonna try and throw water at these, but we're gonna try these on, let you know the fit. Roll out footage of me trying these Hover Phantom 2 Storms on. When it comes to the fit guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I just so happen to be a European 42. These fit, the toes are where they need to be. Now, if you saw by me trying to get those sneakers on, they were quite difficult. These are relatively comfortable, however it's like trying to put some scuba shoes on, and the way that it feels on the feet feels like a pair of scuba shoes, just with a better midsole. I won't be running in the rain. It's not raining here in the UK, which is a weird thing. But again, all I've got to say is that these feel like scuba shoes. And I know that's bound to keep any rain out, any water. These are pretty water resistant. Just quite a look. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.